The rice that is further down is good. The one on top is This is like really McDonald's. Maybe you're not paying attention, but apparently that's normal. It goes up and down when you're moving it. Yeah. Ooh, let's see that. What's going on here? Look at this chill brigade. Relax. Mindfulness. We can call this new thing.
After having lost mentalities, I have believed in this not fine. So,
I can't keep calm. I'm from Balkans. That's why. I don't even want to touch you at all.
what's your thoughts? No, what I like.
But 95. You didn't know anything. I'm like here.
Just really good. Yeah, maybe that's why.
Ask Werner. Werner is dying here. Werner is blowing into risotto to cook faster. He's doing this. I told him. It's a secret. You're doing this.
Yeah, there's a friend of mine, he's professional. Yeah, but I just put, yeah, exactly.
Hey, Bjorn.
Yes. What? Food? Yes. All right. All right. We have to make a decision. Shall everybody sit always at the same place?
Hey.
Or should we rotate? Rotate. Or, you know what, not rotate, but, you know, randomize. Randomize.
Random seat. I mean,
So because
Are we still sitting in the same order?
no, I think I'm gonna propose a randomization.
Are you?
how are we gonna?
Just sit wherever you want.
Okay.
Are they changing?
Same seat. You like that seat?
Put all those?
I don't like.
Have a chair.
So I'm gonna sit down somewhere else.
Yes.
Um,
I'm sitting somewhere else as well. I had
Yes.
no choice. You sat on my old spot.
There you go. There you go.
I'm gonna sit
Would you like some
in the
water?
same place, even though I can't.
I mean, you can just take. Give me those from the couch, I'm sure. And you can just put the sweater on the next chair.
New places. Then we have a different view and you know, something interesting in the camera.
Yeah, that's true.
Cheers.
Is that vodka?
Pure vodka. No, it's.
Have some as well. Thanks.
Hey, kiddos. There comes food.
So we're randomizing seating assignments.
I noticed.
Wow, that looks nice.
But you are okay to sit in a random place that you've always sat in.
We will need something to distribute the risotto.
I can either fight Ali for
Yeah. All right. Fair enough.
Yes, I also decided that I probably had no chance against Bjorn.
Well, you're a tall guy. You're young.
I'm not choosing violence.
Yeah.
So
We can decide by.
Poker.
Are there any like
A ladle.
spoon
A ladle.
But then you have to figure out what's the best seat, right?
Ah, there is
Yes.
one ladle.
Or the order of choosing. You can put it just straight on the. This.
No problem. Take this below. Take this below, one. Put it. Yes.
And tissues.
Oh, wow.
Everyone has tissue.
It is 2:10. The perfect time for lunch.
Yeah.
Oh my god. There's
That's the
Depends
next
on where
best
you are in
thing
Europe,
terms of
right?
Large spoons I could find.
Is that the one we bought in IKEA?
That is very ladily. Well, let's wait for people.
Oh, okay. I mean, we could distribute and then.
Is Carl around?
That's
I
great.
didn't see him. I was for a break 10 minutes in my room.
Yes, I think he's
And we have
coming.
this one. You are not blinking, by the way.
So
It's
You're not
ideal,
blinking.
but yeah.
You're not recording.
Please go ahead.
Is that on purpose?
No, I don't know. I actually wanted to record.
All right.
Did you maybe accidentally swipe and it's in photo mode? Because now it's still not on, so I think you're taking a picture.
Please go ahead, start.
Yes, you're in photo mode. Aha. Cool.
Can I offer you some?
Are we doing that now?
Are we
Yeah,
not
yeah,
distributing?
we can
I mean,
distribute.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead.
until people come.
Again.
Werner has given permission, so go ahead.
Everybody except for Kachov. Wait.
Yeah.
No, there's somebody else missing.
I mean, Carl is missing.
Stefan, Kachov.
Klaus
Did I
is
miscount them?
Klaus is messing something up. No, it's then it's only Carl.
Carl is missing.
Is
Oh, it's
is
just Kachov. Yes. Sorry, I miscounted.
did you count him? Call him? Okay, good. Yeah. Yes. We're just changing.
Maybe we can sit next to Florian, yeah?
Yeah. Sorry.
Not always the same.
Not always the same.
Different angles.
This
Please help yourselves.
Randomize.
And this is for salad on top. Or what?
You can ask the chef.
Werner.
Yeah.
The salad is garnish.
Yeah, it's garnish. I mean, it's supposed to be rocket only, but it's rocket mixed with
Yes.
spinach and some.
There was no pure rocket at the
Yeah,
store.
exactly. And there is parmigiano on top of it as well.
The closest we could get was rocket salad.
That's a lot of cheese.
no.
You need cheese.
I like Parmigiano, so I wonder who is gonna get. What you guys are gonna get. This is for me.
The whole pot.
Actually, it's my fault. I kind of grated it and put it in the fridge. So
Well, I mean that's alright.
we could have forgotten about it. But cooking took so long, so it's probably
So
better to put it in the fridge.
there's no cheese in.
Yeah, put as much as you want.
Ah.
Oh, there's no cheese in the
Okay,
risotto.
so it's not just garnish. It's actually an ingredient.
Good.
Okay.
So,
That gives me a great excuse to put extra cheese. on.
Yeah.
So then it
Should be
actually.
Some
Some
it should
people
be
are
enough,
maybe
yeah.
vegan. Why are you asking such stupid questions?
Should be enough.
We prepare it, modular. Werner is thinking about everything.
It's DIY.
Are you sure the rest of the risotto is vegan? Is there no butter in there?
And there is butter.
See, no vegan.
But I asked
It
for
was a
restrictions
vegan
and
cow.
they-
I know.
got a response. Nobody has any
I
restrictions.
don't
Yeah.
think anybody.
It
No,
was
no.
a vegan
Yeah,
cow.
which
And
is
to
weird
verify
for
that that's the
12
case,
people
Klaus and
without
Bjorn
any
went to
restrictions.
visit them.
Does not
And talked
nobody.
to each one of them. Are you vegan? Cow was, And are you also vegan?
Does nobody even have like a tiny allergy?
Yeah. Right.
Nothing.
What is called?
Wow.
Not to food.
Such a
No.
healthy group.
Email.
Not to food.
Okay. So
Well,
salt and pepper.
I guess Kachel will join when he can join.
Oh my god, let me call him.
Yeah, let's go. Well, I,
Enjoy.
mean, I guess he's seen some
Oh.
meeting or something.
No, you haven't even taken anything.
Yeah, no. You waited until people.
That's
There's
slightly
no pepper in
suspicious.
here.
Let's see everybody else eat.
Well, needs the cheese.
What? Ah,
We're randomizing.
It's
No. I mean, I've already got the cheese, but I mean, I will of course.
No,
get
please, please.
Still,
It's super nice.
Every food so far has been super nice. Cheese is important. Maybe somebody wants olive oil extra.
Very good, Werner.
Do we have olive oil?
sit,
it's fine, but
sit.
Stefan
Yes,
and Tien
Stefan,
helping.
please.
Stefan, heel.
Stefan, of course, yes.
enjoy.
Enjoy. Bon appetit.
In case we don't have enough pictures of the food, I'll take a picture.
We're taking
I have
50
a
of them
feeling
per
that
second
this is not
each,
the best
but-
of the olive oils. It says super value. It sounds like super value, isn't it? The idea, or?
It's the name of the store.
Yeah, but that means a discount store, is it? Or
It's
No,
actually
not discount. It's
cheap.
actually quite expensive.
One of the more expensive stores
It's a
here.
premium goods store, super value.
seriously?
Yeah.
Extremely high end.
Then this is one of the weirdest names for-
Compared to the Aldi and Lidl, it's
Very
not
similar to-
it's
For
the
the
top notch
relative.
of Clifton.
It probably is.
Are you joking, or this is like really the name of the fancy
I
store?
don't go there because it's more expensive than the one I normally go to,
Aha.
which is much more expensive than the Aldi or Lidl. Then.
Oh yeah, well, for sure. Aldi and Lidl are very cheap German stores. So,
Way. Nook.
Nuke.
Nook.
Nuke?
Nook.
Yeah. That's correct.
who do you wanna nuke?
No!
I want to nuke somebody.
You have the beef now.
That work brings me at the most
So you mean
awkward
the people
times.
with the no nukes stickers actually just want to drink alcohol?
I don't know. It went nuclear very quickly.
Mhm.
Cheriovsky?
Cheers.
Nice having vodka from the tall glasses.
Luca didn't let me use the leftover white wine. He said,
So we need more wine tomorrow too. No, that's the problem. You can't buy wine till 11 a.m.
Aha.
in Ireland. You can't buy alcohol until 11 a.m.
Right.
No, wait a second. What?
No alcohol till 11 a.m.
But after 11 it's okay to drink.
Yes. Even in the supermarket. You can't buy alcohol.
Please explain.
It's Ireland. Don't have to understand. Just accept.
Okay. So
The rule is you can't buy alcohol till after 11 a.m. Yeah, you can walk in around the alcohol part of the shop and pick it up. You can't go to the checkout until 11.
Right.
I thought it's only on
You're never
Sunday.
up.
So
No,
what-
all the time.
Sunday is 12, right?
what's the etymology of that rule?
Drink less.
Okay, yes, I understand, but I could imagine what could have happened with us whenever there is a regulation imposed on HoReCa sector, as you call it, hotels, restaurants, and cafes. They really complain, hey, what about supermarkets? You know? So during COVID, they had it rough, like because of closing. So they were really against these discounts on alcohol in wine stores, for example. So then these big discounts were cancelled to 50%. They were reduced to 25% max. And the rule was like also because of health, youth, and everything, blah blah blah. But the point is, we don't want them taking our business. So probably because in cafes and restaurants it was not allowed to serve, they said, and then supermarkets also can do it.
Right.
Is
Maybe.
that the logic or?
Probably.
There is always some health exclusion, but the senators are basically working for whoever pays them, and probably senators
That's
were
crazy.
paid by
That
lobby or...
So can
Yeah.
the 6. Yes. Cannot buy on.
That's how it would work.
That's
as well.
unbelievable.
Right.
Cannot buy.
How
after
can it be
3
like that?
What? Cannot in Norway?
Yeah, there's only one monopoly chain allowed to sell alcohol.
No.
No supermarket.
Do people not like say you can't do that? You need to have proper access to alcohol. It's like a social right.
Kind.
Like a human right for alcohol.
After a while, you get used to it, so you stop a lot. So there's
Well,
nothing matter. Exactly the same.
right.
Will probably not run out.
Of what?
Food.
Can you pass down the cheese,
Yes, pepper and salt.
please?
Pepper and salt.
Okay, hang on.
Okay, because there was no pepper in the...
no.
Yes, and the pepper and salt ideally also.
Let's take that like that. Nobody will notice. Cheese, boss.
yeah, I try to be cautious with pepper and
Yeah.
salt. You never know.
Yeah, I mean it's easier to add than to
Yeah,
remove.
exactly.
Yeah, measure once, cut twice. Or how is that?
Yes.
Yeah. Including the fact that there is a salt labeled pepper.
Oh, really?
Covered there, yeah. It's the only, all are white,
That's all.
and many
Right.
of them are
Salt
pepper,
and
and the
pepper.
only one that explicitly says pepper.
Uh-huh.
It is actually
It's salt.
With salt. Okay. I would be happy with pepper
So
also.
there's salt in that as well.
Sorry?
That's salt and pepper.
That's
Oh,
salt
that's a
and
mix?
pepper.
I think so.
Is there just pepper?
It's empty.
Well, no, there.
No, that's a full one here.
Yeah.
I would be
Is it
happy with a
full?
little
Yeah.
bit of pepper.
And we have another one over there for sure.
It's empty.
What's for dinner?
It is empty.
It's empty.
Okay.
You're right.
It's just the sides are painted to look.
Yeah, yeah.
Original plan is Lucas, but I don't think we skip
Who's cooking dinner?
is a plan.
There's no plan, right?
There was a plan at some point.
Has it changed?
Yeah.
Because a lack of tomato.
Exactly.
There's okay.
So maybe
I
we
think
can
this
switch.
would be
I can
What's the plan
cook.
for tonight?
Do we have some tomato cans?
We have
We have a tomato. I don't
Yes,
think we do.
yes.
I think we have fresh tomato.
No, no.
The entire tomato or you want or
Ju-
whatever.
no, just chopped tomatoes or something.
We have these sauces ready.
We just have
not
like
proper
the-
passata.
Yeah, sausage is okay. It. What?
Little basilico with tomato.
No. We have
What?
tomato sauce, pesto, basilikum, and so on. But
Right. Okay.
there's no.
Canned tomato.
No, pure tomato.
Yeah, there's no
Okay.
tomato puree or.
Okay. Okay.
Let's do pad thai for dinner. Pad thai?
Yeah.
Pad thai. Let's do it.
I will help. I want to know how to...
Was that scheduled as a dinner or was that scheduled as a lunch at some point?
Cheese.
It was for lunch for Friday.
This stage we
Friday
have to
to
Yeah,
having
because
dinner
we
for
shouldn't probably move the lunches to dinners because some of the things are very heavy and elaborate.
Actually, I was gonna make pad thai for dinner and pineapple pie for lunch. Sure, I didn't make it yesterday.
Dinner at 7?
Dinner at 7.
Other days.
You're right, actually. I would also prefer not to have such a big dinner, but rather keep the lunch bigger. But we have no. But the thing is,
I don't think I meant the other way
I pretty
around.
much meant the opposite because
The farm lady told us to come at 5.
some things just take long to prepare, and then if we have them for lunch, lunch is going to be at 3:30 in the afternoon.
Oh, you mean at 2:30? No,
Nice setup.
I mean, I guess we have a big stove, but it is quite slow.
It's very slow, yeah. That's what I said. If we were a fancy
So,
restaurant, we
in
would
terms of
advertise
meat,
this
what
as
have we
slow
got?
cooked.
Pad thai requires chicken, right?
With prawn.
Prawn and chicken for pad
Prawn and
thai.
chicken, yeah.
Okay, fine. We have plenty of chicken, we have plenty of prawn, right?
We have prawn.
Prawns can be dangerous.
Dangerous?
We had prawns yesterday.
It's not
yes?
vegetarian.
Right.
You want it vegetarian?
Yeah. Why?
Vegetarian Thai food. I don't think
Because
it
it's like
No, I have tofu if you want vegetarian.
You don't have to find out what your last
Wait a second, I thought all of this was vegan. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
That was explosive.
That was crazy. I was never so sick.
But this seems like vegetarian, you know?
Oh, this is awesome, Werner.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very, very good.
Well, thank you for helping.
Thank you, Werner and
Thanks,
Stefan.
Jen, for sharing as well.
Yeah, Tian also helped. Yeah.
So when are we gonna have
Thank you.
dinner? Like 7?
7.
Oh my God.
Okay, so
Okay.
now that we solved the when question, did we also solve the what question?
Yeah, pad thai.
That's hard.
But that was scheduled for a lunch at some point.
Yes, but it was the lunch before the salmon factory, so I think maybe if we have something lighter for that day, it's not that bad either.
The salmon factory will have extra food.
Yes, the thing that is to be considered is that dishes that take a long time to prepare should probably not be scheduled for lunch.
I can take a long time.
How long does pad thai take to prepare?
I cook quite slow, so 2 hours.
Okay. Then the spinach lasagna, I would like to do tomorrow for dinner.
I
Because
can
it
probably
takes longer.
start now.
But then again, a lasagna could be a lunch because you could even do it the day before and then just put it in the oven. Yeah, it could be. That might actually be logistically. Yeah. But we will go for shopping tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow morning, 8
Yeah,
o'clock.
yeah, that's good.
Before the workshop.
Okay.
I'm not going to lose weight at this
But then
at this rate.
lasagna should be lunch on Thursday, so then you can prepare it tomorrow afternoon, and then it is ready, and then we can just
Heat it.
into the oven and actually bake it.
And you put it into the fridge.
Yeah.
Stefan,
Okay.
can I have the cheese, please?
Do we have enough beef? Because we want the beef for Luca.
But it's a different beef. It's the pseudo veal.
Have you decided not to cook the veal meal?
The veal meal.
The veal meal?
Why would we not do that?
Veal meals and
We have to make
meals.
sure, because there's 2 people with eyes on the beef now. So we have to make sure we have enough beef.
Is there
How many
more?
kilograms of beef do you need?
However many I specified.
Well, really, he doesn't eat beef, he needs veal.
Yes. I have the young beef.
It was 1.5-year-old cow.
Yes, it's specifically young beef.
Yes.
Because they didn't have the young.
You
It's
need
pseudo
to,
veal.
Yeah.
you need to really prepare
When I asked him,
something where you can actually appreciate it, not something that's gonna kill the taste.
I asked him about veal, and he said, "What day do you want it?" So it wasn't going to work out very well. Looked at his watch. What day do you want it?
But I mean, at least that's
A bit of cheese.
service, right?
Yes, he will find the veal.
Did we say that we have too much cheese?
Okay, so then tomorrow, what's the plan for food? Let's just get this figured out, because we actually have too many recipes.
Right.
So
Tomorrow they're gonna cook lunch and dinner. So
No,
two
but
different,
no.
two different
So-
dishes.
is Klaus going to do lasagna for Thursday, but prepared tomorrow?
Yeah. For lunch.
I can do something or help something.
I can do tomorrow. I can do whenever. Thursday, your call.
Let's do one Vietnamese and one
Yeah.
Indian tomorrow.
One beef stew in the lunch
Yeah.
and
So
Okay.
Indian. So is that a lunch or dinner?
So we have stuff for 2 recipes. So a dal and aloo gobi.
So
Aloo gobi.
that sounds like a dinner.
It's a dinner.
But beef stew is
beef
dinner.
But
As
actually,
well.
No, but dal is
pretty much like
you can take it anytime.
We do a light breakfast tomorrow.
It's
instead.
not very heavy. is it?
No, it's not very heavy.
Yeah,
We can do croissants for breakfast tomorrow.
yeah. It's simple.
Then that means I should do that, no?
They're chocolate croissants. We just cook them in the oven.
I'm gonna do half cheese, half chocolate.
Oh no, but if
Somebody
you,
likes
but
cheese,
if you,
somebody
Oh, he actually can. He can, because you
How-
put the chocolate in afterwards. So,
Yeah. I can put chocolate in and cheese in. So I roll it with whatever you like.
but do you need to make the dough from scratch?
Oh, okay. He can do
But
that.
we don't have the
We don't
ingredients.
have it either.
Do we? What do you need for the dough?
But those that are in the fridge, they are already filled with chocolate?
Yeah,
or
No,
this
you
is
get
still
the
need some
chocolate
yogurt.
rolls,
We'll
chocolate,
do- okay.
and you just
I'm not
basically.
sure that we have yogurt there. I can make it with the milk as well,
Okay,
but we need
yeah.
baking powder.
I'm not sure we have that.
Okay, let me check what we have.
just finish it.
Yep.
By the way, who
Because
ordered
we-
the puff pastry? Puff pastry? Nobody ordered the puff pastry? It
have-
just magically appeared on the list, and now we have puff pastry.
It was a separate thing that
Lekker.
we thought may be useful. We could take puff pastry, put cheese inside, and make cheese puffs.
Ah, yes. Okay.
Or pizza rolls or something.
Yeah. Or chocolate inside and make chocolate
thank you.
rolls.
Can I have a bit of salad?
I like a dessert.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Or apple pie.
Or we don't have. Oh, we have.
We
We,
have
do
apples.
have apples.
We have Pink Lady.
But
They're very good.
Apple
They're very
pie.
good.
But
I
actually,
know, they're very good,
judging
but
from today, I don't think
using
we
it
really
for
need
baking,
dessert, right?
isn't it a waste?
You,
Isn't it
well,
kind of a waste?
You never
It
need
is a bit of a waste,
dessert.
yeah.
That's not the point of dessert.
Okay, so tomorrow we have.
Physically
Indian
not.
and
Mentally
Japanese.
sometimes.
Yeah.
Thursday we have pasta and something.
Lasagna, right?
Lasagna.
Yeah.
That's Thursday.
You making lasagna?
No, I'm making curry on Thursday night.
Okay, curry
Okay,
and pasta and lasagna.
Yeah.
On Friday we only need lunch not too big.
So, but then do you want? When do you want the?
The Zurichschnitzel.
Oh, med rushti.
Yes, mit rösti. Exactly. For which you specifically
For which we
requested
had
the
6
the
kilograms of
the
potatoes,
pseudo beef.
which we had to not just buy but
no,
carry.
it's for me it's
No,
only
no,
about
but that's
3
for the
kilograms.
Okay, maybe we do a rushti. on Thursday and a curry on Friday.
But yeah, potato for beef stews for my curry.
You
so
make
we
the
can
Irish-
use
Yeah,
a lot.
also.
So,
How many kilograms
yeah.
of
Aloo gobi is
You
also
Yeah.
potato.
So we actually use a lot of potatoes.
But,
so
it's,
don't worry
but
about
that's,
that.
this is exactly what I meant about adding recipes to a list, but then not adding more days, right?
How
It's-
about
there's
second
only so
dinner?
many meals.
We can be out of the house until Sunday.
Look like I have more food than
We can add one more day.
We still have a chicken with skin.
The chicken with skin.
Yeah. For my chicken hot spot. But
Okay, why don't we replace the beef stew with the chicken hot pot?
it's fine. Okay. Yeah.
That leaves all the veal for
Luca.
pseudo veal for Luca.
Okay, when do you want that?
Simulation veal.
Even the lunch food, yeah.
Either has to be Thursday or Friday. Which one do you want?
It's probably more of a dinnery thing.
Okay. And why don't we do the chicken on Friday for lunch?
I see. Yeah.
And what about tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're doing.
Beef stew.
But then look, if we already have a bunch of stuff for recipes, then why don't we prioritize the recipes for which we already have the stuff rather than going shopping for more recipes that we don't actually have slots for in the schedule?
Okay, so let's take it back to basics.
So tomorrow, if you're not doing beef
We
stew,
have-
you're doing the chicken.
Pseudo veal. You're looking after all of that, right?
Yes.
When is that?
Pseudo veal is gone. That's going to be Thursday or Wednesday.
Okay, we're gonna have to decide though. We can't just say or.
It will be this week for sure.
Can we have a paper and pen?
So today is already
Pretty
fixed.
complicated.
Tomorrow we discuss
Unless I don't know what you want for dinner. What do we do for dinner today?
pad thai.
Pad thai.
Pad Thai.
Fixed and agreed on pad thai. This is now fixed. This is now locked in. Feature free.
No, don't use the origami paper. We have like 30 meters of paper for taking notes on.
Let's just do it. Just do it.
I'm lazy. Okay.
Okay,
right.
so
Hang on. Let's get this.
You'll have to fold it into
Pad Thai
crane
is
after.
like-
Tuesday.
No, we do one day Pad Thai.
Tuesday,
Tuesday. PM.
Oh, Tuesday.
pad thai.
Pad Thai. Chicken and prawns. So that will be some of the chicken breasts gone, right?
Yeah.
Pad Thai. Cooked by On and On.
Yeah. And tomorrow.
Wednesday. Lunch.
Lunch is the chicken hot pot.
Chicken hot pot.
Vietnamese chicken hot pot. For lunch.
The rest of the chicken with the skin, right?
Yeah.
No, I need chicken as well.
We have plenty of chicken. We have a lot of chicken.
Okay.
How much chicken do you need?
Wednesday.
I don't know.
Oh, we'll have enough.
I think we have most of
PM.
Wednesday PM
Is the,
is Bjorn's Indian.
Okay.
so we're gonna have curries like kind of similar. 2 nights in a row.
Thursday.
I'm not gonna do the accent. So.
AM. Thursday PM.
Okay.
Friday light lunch.
Okay. And PM
Light.
is after
Lunch.
thing.
So maybe for Friday, if you ask me, because why don't give a lunch? Because we leave at 1:30. If we have,
But we
We can't get rid of another slot, otherwise we'll never get
we
to
never
it.
get to all the food.
Okay, so
It's an eating competition.
Wednesday lasagna for lunch. Is
Thursday
Yeah.
lunchtime.
Friday would be good. maybe.
Thursday.
Friday. Would
Yeah, lasagna.
Lasagna Friday.
Yeah.
Klaus.
lasagna is not light.
It's light.
There's no meat in it.
It's spinach
So-
lasagna. That's a
so
light
the
word.
lunch is
Thursday.
So only Luca-
Thursday lunch is
You're having vegetarisch?
Nation with
Yeah.
roast beef.
That's more of a dinner.
Okay, yeah, so it's dinner. Mac
There's-
and bacon,
that-
with roast beef.
Okay.
Not even close, but sure.
What is it?
Zürich Schnatzlitz.
Juni Klatschlist.
Not even close, but it's
It's closer.
so
Juni Klatschlist.
Thursday dinner.
Jury class list. I think you can go with this.
Roast beef.
I like clutch list.
Clutch list.
Jumi
Yeah,
Klati
Klatschlist,
Kitty.
On Thursday evening.
Thursday lunchtime.
So I
Thursday
already have
lunchtime.
my like chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Is that okay? We
Curry
have
for
that?
lunch.
I mean, it took
Chicken curry,
Kaha only like a decade to get my name right, so
Honestly,
I'm writing, so you know, you have another decade to go on this one.
This is okay. Now, breakfasts. Wednesday AM. Do we want sausage and bacon and pudding, or do we want croissant tomorrow?
Croissant tomorrow.
Hey, but I'm not sure that we have stuff for that.
We do.
We have
have enough for 24 chocolate
stuff for that. We don't
So, but not to make from
We have
scratch.
from ingredients.
No, not for the from scratch.
They're in a packet. We just put in the chocolate, fold them over, put them in the oven, eat them.
No, but what do we have actually? What is it that we have?
Yes, that. It's
Croissants
some
in a
assembly
packet.
required. It's not the from scratch version.
So we
And
have
then you will make 6 croissants in 20 seconds. That level of assembly.
Oh, but that's like pre-made something.
Yes.
Yeah.
Almost.
Almost.
You have to fold them. And then put them
I
in.
know, but that's pre-made.
Thursday
Yeah.
breakfast.
It's like an EA cabinet. You don't have to cut the timber, but
It's IKEA. No?
yeah, it's IKEA. Yeah. Some minor assembly required.
Friday breakfast.
Whatever is left.
Yeah.
Right, now, Saturday breakfast.
We leave at
Ooh.
5.
You leave
Yeah,
at 5.
I mean, if we talk about the most,
with
it's what we do the
clouds
most.
and
So
Okay.
make sure that
Okay.
it takes a long
How
time
many you
every
leave at
time.
5? Afternoon or?
No,
5 a.m.
if I we're leaving at
So you don't
5
need any
a.m.
breakfast?
right?
You have to leave very early on.
Can Lynn come with us?
Okay.
I can prepare something.
Yeah, so that we have 4
Yeah, I
So-
will leave by 10.
No, Saturday breakfast is whatever is left.
Saturday breakfast.
Whatever.
Saturday
What if there's so much left?
And some of what is left.
Yeah.
Not necessarily all of what is left.
Because Cloud has a
Cannot
huge
leave
nugget.
until all the food is gone.
There you go.
I can agree to that.
Now,
Yeah.
the other thing we have to get right.
Much breakfast at that time.
Car 1.
Cara 1,
Let's go to Octavia. Klaus.
Yes.
Werner,
Werner.
Ali, and Lynn.
Ali. Lynn.
5 a.m.
Don't wake
Does that exist?
Well, that's early.
Okay.
Does that exist?
Oh, yeah, okay. That makes a lot of sense.
V40. Cahill.
When are you leaving?
You said you wanted to.
Sure.
No, wait. Cahill. Luca.
Florian.
Tien.
Tin,
You're gone already. I have space for one more person.
Oh,
Florian.
One?
Oh, I know.
Well, if you don't mind a TV on your lap.
What?
I don't mind the TV on my lap.
And you have
I just don't want to be left behind in the middle of nowhere.
you have great in-car entertainment.
Yes.
Florian.
Florian.
I mean, if we're gonna dump stuff anyway, Kyle, you can put the TV in the back of my car, right?
I've got to drive an extra 2.5 hours
Oh.
to pick up the TV and then drive 2 hours to home.
I see. Okay.
Unless you want to come to the hovel on the way back.
Uh-huh.
And go to the hovel from the quarry.
Ah,
The hovel from the crew. It's the famous hovel. I want to see
it's
it.
an extra 2.5 hours driving?
No, it's half an hour extra. Just
Right, yeah, okay, fair enough.
But how big is the television?
43.
Okay, small.
And light.
Small.
Small. Very
Okay.
small.
Hang on,
Yeah.
let's get this right.
Can't wait.
Oh,
Depends on whether it's a flat screen or a old, bulb
it's a
TV.
Oh wow, they're so photorealistic.
yeah.
The biggest one.
Oh,
Yeah, that looks like a
Bjorn,
Bjorn.
Stefan.
Stefan.
Yes.
Who's left?
Bao.
Bao.
Who's the
Is that it?
That's it.
That's it.
huh?
Okay.
the biggest car?
The biggest car has the least people. How does that work? TV.
Yeah.
Then you have to come with me
All right.
to visit the hovel.
Uh,
There is no bathroom. The builder hasn't finished.
Uh-huh.
Suppose you aware of that. There are plenty of trees.
Old-fashioned way.
but we have to go back later, no?
Yeah. But it's kind of, instead of going from here
Yeah.
to here, you go like
It's in the
that.
middle.
Right.
It's kind of like in the middle of Ireland.
No problem.
Sounds good.
We can actually stop for a nice lunch on the way back then.
You don't stop for lunch.
That
You
sounds
have
Yes,
a lot of food in the car.
Well, I mean, we will have to
we
stop.
can stop
but-
to eat it.
Yeah.
We can find somewhere
stop
nice
anywhere.
to eat
Yeah.
something on the way back then.
Right. Let's see.
How's Teen going home?
By taxi.
From here to Dublin.
So we're thinking, it depends on the weather, I think. If it, it might be nice to see a couple of cliffs.
You should do that, yes. Don't worry
Yes.
about the TV. You guys go
No,
see
but
the
we
cliffs.
take a TV.
Throw it off a cliff.
Throw it off a cliff.
Florian, no. You go
Drive to cliffs.
and I take Bao.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Then you can
Yeah,
visit the
we'll
cliffs.
do just, there's some nice sites in this area. Take a couple of hours to see that before going. When are you going back to?
My plane is at I think
tour guide
6:30 or something.
Yeah,
So
we'll
I
get
have-
we'll get you there by 4.
Okay, we
That
change
means,
the plan.
yeah.
On and on.
So that will be a goal.
Are you sure that
And
we
Florian
can
going
make it?
By 4?
Florian.
We have to check the traffic and then start on time.
Yeah.
Unless there's
because
a craft on the
when
end.
we're coming here,
do you have lots of luggage?
I have a small suitcase.
But
and,
you don't need to check in, or?
compressible Oh, I do need to check.
Okay.
He wasn't allowed
Right.
to bring a big suitcase.
So then we have to really.
Yeah, but it's for yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
we
If
can
I'd
do it.
known how tight it would be in the car, I would have taken probably an even smaller suitcase.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, are we okay with that then?
Yeah.
Bao comes with us. Bjorn, Stefan, Onalong and Florian.
Where are we going?
You're going to the smaller cliffs.
So there's some cliffs just north of here, maybe.
Dublin.
After that, Dublin. Yeah. No, and I'm gonna drive straight to Iceland. So.
Going to a ferry or something.
Castle you can go to on the way to Galway, I think. By the sea, it's very nice. There's a little like cafe in there.
Okay.
I'll find it for you.
All right.
So it wouldn't be that far away.
Just to see, it's a beautiful area. Actually, it's really quite nice. Yeah, exactly.
Just
Yes,
the other
yes,
day,
yes.
colleague was telling me that he went here with
Yeah.
the family.
Yes,
like,
yes.
They spent
Yeah.
a week, like just.
I
Feels unusual, like at the very west tip.
Yeah. I've done a day sightseeing in Connemara. There's a national park here. It's really quite beautiful. So, yeah.
This area is really
But the only
nice.
hard thing
You
is
drove
you
through
have
some
a
of it in the
flight
dark,
at
so-
6:30.
Something like that.
It's fine.
I would have to check.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can't check. My phone is not here.
No, you will have checked.
I will have checked.
Yes. So we can
So
schedule
we'll check
things.
out of here around about 10 o'clock then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No later.
Finish. Let's
Yeah.
make it like that.
Yeah. Goed.
Good!
Helemaal goed.
Hot for mat.
Verder góðu.
Do people there speak Irish?
Hot for mat.
Takk for mat. That's Norwegian.
Oh, that's
Takk for maten.
Hot for mat.
Takk for maten.
Do you see it also in Iceland?
Takk fyrir matin. Yeah, it's same words, different pronunciation.
Do the quiz now.
Yeah.
Okay, we need
Okay.
four people.
Okay.
14 maybe?
People, stay in your seats.
A happy quiz first.
We're doing a quiz. So
Before
Now we're
food,
gonna get rid of the.
you put the plates,
dishes and then.
put the plates at least in the kitchen, right?
So,
Keep your glasses, I would say.
whoever needs me for some food cooking, let me know. You need me probably, or not.
Yeah, I need somebody. I will need a bunch of people to chop. This is clean, I think. I didn't use it.
Okay.
There will be
No idea.
lots of chop.
It is now.
Need to empty again. Is it done again?
Yes. Oh, yeah, almost. This one.
All right, so. Well,
Are those clean?
These are clean.
these are clean, yes.
Move them out first. Much better now.
Yep. Yes.
So.
So I really haven't figured out what goes where. So,
Where to put them?
this one.
Stefan? Before your cleanup spree, there was a sensible to less sensible, sensible power adapter.
Actually, let me
That I gave you, like,
shorten the distance. Yeah.
when I was cleaning this. This
Okay.
was a lot of, gave to you. This, this box,
So.
paper box.
So, can we do a chain into that? Actually, let me
Just let me wash my hands.
probably. So hold on. Let me.
30 dishes in my hands, so
Yeah.
I just need to wash my hands and then I can.
Right. So I'm just gonna like drip dry them if
Something to plug
needed.
I thought it's
The wheel list and the car list.
oh, this one.
Yes. I'll get the happy quiz ready.
Oh,
Happy quiz.
I don't know what goes where, but
I also don't know.
But I guess we take them out 3 or 4 more times.
yeah.
Help
Right.
us.
Yeah, the helper.
There you go. Now we're into glasses.
Okay, then I go over here.
So this one, I don't know. So I'll try to basically go by similarity. And then this one is the last. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So we can put the dirty stuff in. Okay.
You're done with emptying it?
Yeah.
Or? Okay.
Well, I think it painted very well.
You can leave the pots. I mean,
No, it's a
clean them out here.
purchase list.
Block so much
Yes.
in the dishwasher.
So we just need to make sure there's some tomato stuff.
Yeah, I put it.
Yeah. But it may need to be more.
How much do you need?
I think I need 3.
You need 3.
Yeah, just to be sure.
I brought away instead. No, my one's this.
Like I said, my normal recipe for aloo gobi would involve whatever exists, and so it's hard to tell how to say.
Instead of 3.
Yeah. This is always useful anyway. So.
Told them, hey, why? That's one of these things that you need for everything.
Yeah,
Why not buy 10 of my
Enough.
cousins from
Yes.
Prague just buy 10?
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Yeah.
Every second day you need it for something.
Yep. Absolutely. All right.
How can I help you? Like, you know?
Relax. You did all the cooking, man.
I like kitchen.
That was a lot of cooking.
But this is very
I believe so, but you never know.
What is this? What is this?
Christmas pudding.
Ah, oh my
I
god.
don't know.
possible that it goes
I don't know if Kachal has brought the necessary brandy to also light it on fire.
Aha.
Kachal, did you bring brandy?
No, but we have whiskey. Same thing.
That should work.
For what?
All right.
Pudding.
To light the pudding on fire.
We have brandy cream.
Oh, well, I'm not sure how well that burns. So
No.
You heat up the whiskey in the microwave, throw it on, good burn. Do that on Thursday night.
Oh, the glasses work like without glove.
Oh shit. Okay.
I think we need a second round.
Right. So, but next time, you should leave the glasses
Yes.
for people to.
The water glasses
Yeah.
would have been okay to reuse
Yeah.
for a little bit. Clean sleeve. So
There's literally no space there for me.
I need a glass. I will take.
Okay.
One more, yeah.
Okay.
Looks good.
I have a red box over my SD card. What does that mean?
That means it's running low, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. Did you take a break?
I had to break. We'll keep going. The battery's good. The SD card has an X, an actual X on it.
It's the battery. Battery, no battery.
No, the battery's okay.
No, that's not the battery. That is
no,
the SD card.
we-
The battery has the X.
Yeah.
And your
Isn't-
SD card is still green, which means you've been taking too many business calls.
So my battery's fine then. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Good.
No, it
It's
does
just
not
my
show
same
anything
way.
about the battery. It has no battery in it.
Well, it has an X over what looks like an SD card.
No, it has the X over the battery because it has no battery.
Ah, okay, fine, okay. No problem. Okay, who's
Yeah,
up for
I have the
happy
same thing.
quiz? Happy quiz.
Happy quiz.
Happy quiz.
Happy quiz. I want to do a happy quiz.
4 people. I'll sit over here and wave everybody. And I do believe we're going to bring
Oh no. This is the quiz with the.
Oh.
Which is not actually a math question because
No.
rules are.
It's not a math, it's a sports question.
The last
Yes.
frame is kind of confusing.
Which
You need 12
sport-
shots to do it.
Settle down. Settle down. There's a prize for the winner.
Is
In which sport would you perform a slam dunk?
Basketball. I actually need to get you guys to orient yourselves after this round so you're in the same sequence as here.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, are we not?
Is this?
No.
Oh no, we're not.
Well, should we skip this?
No, we have to do it. We have to do it. We
Okay.
have 10 questions otherwise.
Who holds the record for the most home runs in a single MLB season?
Major League Baseball, that is.
Yeah.
Well, that I would have known.
Yes.
Nobody wants.
You never know.
I
Nobody
think.
wants us.
I think.
I have a
question
guess.
That would be still hard for me. Would be
Maybe
name a
18.
single. Name a single.
Barry Bonds.
Excuse me.
No.
He had 73 home runs.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even know what that exactly is. But
Home run means you basically knock the ball out of the park.
This one is not about basketball.
Let me get a chance.
No, you have to
We
basically.
also have sports that are actually not American sports.
yes.
Yeah.
Well, it's
okay.
ChatGPT
Okay.
though.
Which golf tournament
Ugh.
is held annually at Augusta National?
I don't even know what that is. What is Augusta National?
Augusta.
What's the biggest golf tournament every year? Tiger Woods won it many times with a green jacket.
I didn't know that.
It's also a name of a degree, right?
Okay.
It's also a name of a degree, right?
Yes.
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 Name of what?
Name for the
A degree
This is the name of the degree.
that most of you should have
Yeah.
had already.
The Masters.
Yay!
Actually, quite some
I
people
don't
here
have
do not
that.
have one.
I don't have one, so.
I don't have one.
You don't have one?
No.
Neither
This is
do
what
I.
I said. Most of you should have.
Actually,
Master,
But
no.
okay.
No.
Oh, there you go.
At least less than.
All right.
Only very few people here have one of those.
Right.
This is not
Considered redundant.
basketball.
Right.
How many Grand Slam titles did Serena Williams win?
Serena Williams.
Not basketball. It's not basketball.
Closest to
I mean,
it.
I know who
Closest.
Serena Williams is.
Yes.
Oh,
22.
What about them?
15.
15.
Wait, what was it?
How many
Closest win.
Grand Slam titles did Serena Williams win?
22,
We asked Bow Wow.
15.
That would be my guess also.
18.
42.
Okay.
24.
23.
23.
Hang on. We have a
Minus
winner.
oh, everyone.
10.
No, we have a winner. It's Flo. Oh, plus 1 for you.
Yeah.
Okay, we still have a winner.
20.
Flo.
With 4 points.
Tien with 3 points.